The last required element that you have to implement to wire together a recycler view is the Layout Manager. Whereas a view holder determines how an individual entry is displayed, the Layout Manager determines how the collection of items is displayed. Layout Manager is a key part of the way recycling works in RecyclerView, since it determines when to recycle item views that are no longer visible to the user. Android currently comes with 3 implementations of Layout Manager to fit most needs: Linear Layout Manager, Grid Layout Manager, and Staggered Grid Layout Manager. Linear Layout Manager allows items to scroll either vertically or horizontally. Vertical scrolling is the default. Grid Layout Manager, a subclass of Linear Layout Manager, arranges items in a grid that can also scroll vertically or horizontally. Lastly, Staggered Grid Layout Manager displays an offset grid of items. This layout manager is commonly used for applications that have views with content of varying dimensions. If none of those built-in Layout Manager satisfies your needs, you can directly extend from Layout Manager and create your own. For our toy app and Sunshine, we'll be using Linear Layout Manager to scroll vertically.